2019 is the year of the foldable phone, and the first in the ring, Samsung's Galaxy Fold. Announced in February, it was supposed to launch as early as April, but as we all know, its early release to reviewers was met with some issues. Samsung has had to delay its launch, and over the last few months, it's been reworking the Fold. Now, it's tougher than ever and ready to face the real world. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, and you're watching GadgetMatch. Here at IFA 2019, I got the chance to play around with Samsung's new and improved foldable phone. This is our Samsung Galaxy Fold hands-on redo. Before we dive into all of the changes, which is what I'm sure you're here for, allow me to reintroduce the Galaxy Fold. In some ways, you can think of it as a 7.3-inch tablet that you can fold into a candy bar phone with a 4.6-inch display. All buttons are on the right-hand side of the device: volume rocker, power, and fingerprint sensor. On the bottom, a USB-C port and speaker grills. Okay, so what's changed? Samsung's focused on addressing all of the issues. First, some users previously peeled off what they thought was a screen protector, but was actually a very important protective layer. That layer is now tucked under the bezels, so you don't even know it's there. There's also a cap, this part over here, that's meant to prevent dust and dirt from getting underneath that protective layer. The hinge too has been reinforced, and now the gap between the hinge and the display has been reduced. Having used the original Fold, I can say that opening and closing the display now feels more secure, even if you feverishly snap it open and close like this. All these changes have been made to ensure that the phone survives the rigors of the real world. One UI has also been optimized for the Note. Home, back, and multitasking buttons, for example, can be flushed to either side of the display for one-handed use. To open more windows alongside the app that's already open, just swipe from the right and use Apps Edge to launch new apps. You tap here on this X or swipe away to close those windows. When you're on an app and a notification comes in, you can press and drag that notification to open it as a separate window. So you can respond to a WhatsApp message, for example. Even if you have two displays, you can seamlessly switch between both. That way, whether you're adding a contact on the big screen or using your map on your small screen, you can close or open the display and continue what you were doing. While all these changes are much needed and much improved, the Galaxy Fold isn't perfect. The front display is very small and it's hard to type on. I'd use it for things like Instagram maybe, but even then, I'd rather use the larger display. Not all apps support this squarish form factor. YouTube videos, of course, will only fill in a portion of the display, although games like Asphalt 9 are optimized to fill the entire display. And because this display isn't made of glass, there will always be creases right here in the middle. That's just a limitation of the technology. Otherwise, make no mistake, it's a top-of-the-line device with high-end specs and the same cameras as Samsung's current flagships. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, along with a few other bells and whistles. That said, I'm excited about the Galaxy Fold, and I'm thrilled that it's full steam ahead. It's an early device, and it can only get better in time. What's really needed is for app developers to come in and create apps that support this new form factor. The Galaxy Fold retails for under $2,000 US and is available in white and black. It will be available in South Korea on September 6th. That's tomorrow, and other countries, including France, Germany, the UK, and Singapore on September 18th. The US and other markets will follow in the next few weeks. I can't wait. It's a great device, and it deserves one of GadgetMatch's Best of IFA 2019 awards. And that was a fresh look at the new and improved Samsung Galaxy Fold. For more videos like this one, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Follow us on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. From here in Berlin, Germany, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.